Rafael, please.
Okay, it's a song by Mordechai Gebirtik.
Yeah.
Kinderjahren, deine Kinderjahren, ständig liegen sie in mein Sikoren. Wenn ich geb von dir Tracht, tut mir weh ganz gut in Herz. Ach, wie weit du bist von mir verfahren. Jene Jahren, frische, schöne Blumen, flex mir bringen, wenn du flex dort kommen. Und die Jahren treuerige, schwere Moore schreure dicke, sie haben jene schöne Zeit vernommen. Und seh ich mein Mäuschele dem Kleinen, ich kusch seine bäcklich reute Schäne, die blaue Augen voll mit Tränen kriechen zu mir in Herz herein. Ich hab gemeint, du, die ganze Welt ist meine. Oi, mein Kind, wie ich pfleg dich doch lieben. Dich in Cheder keinmal nicht getrieben. Nicht kein Knipp, nicht kein Hand, ist doch dir gar nicht bekannt. Von mir kein Zeichen ist dir nicht geblieben. Und seh ich die Stub vor meine Augen, wo ich hab dich als ein Schwert erzeugen. Und das Bettel seh ich dort, steht auf jenem selben Ort. Ach, wie schnell du bist von mir verflogen. Kinderjahren, ich hab Sehen geworden. Mit dem mein ganze Ruhe hab ich verloren. Nicht kein Mut, nicht kein Zweck, weil du bist also weiter weg. Und ich verschellt dem Tag von mein Gebäuren.
I want to sing it too. Please let me.
Okay, okay.
Let me sing.
Thank you, Rafael.
My
Cookie.
words are a little different.
When we finish reading it, no, not now, please. Let us read it first and then you will sing it, okay, Cookie? Okay, good. Janet, please, can you read the English?
Zuerst wünsche ich eine gute Reise nach England.
Okay, danke.
Gute Reise. Mordechai Gebirtik wrote the mournful song Kinderjahren. Those words are covered by the picture. I don't know exactly what to do to move it over. So, but I just see B.E. The Nazis murdered him in Krakow in 1942. In 1945 in Kazakhstan, Ida Rozhanskaya put new lyrics to his melody for her song Marshall's Kinder. Oh, das ist viel besser. Danke. Sehr gut. She had survived the war along with hundreds of thousands of Jews in the Soviet Union, and her son Moshe was one of about 500,000 who had fought in the Red Army against the Nazis. He died at the Battle of Stalingrad. We have already listened to two other songs from the album Yiddish Glory, Timeless Brief, Timeless Letter to Her Husband at the front. And Misha zerreißt Hitler's Deutschland. Misha tears Hitler's Germany apart. The singer is Soy Korolenko. The songs were discovered by Professor Anna Sternschis at the University of Toronto, who is researching in the archives in Ukraine.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Janet.
Bob,
Bob, can you start reading?
Kinderjahren, deine Kinderjahren. Ständig ständig liegen sie in meiner Zikoren.
Zikoren.
Bye,
They're
darling.
calling.
Have a good, safe trip.
Aha.
Wenn ich gib von dir Tracht, tut mir weh, ganz gut in Herz. Oh, wie weit du bist von mir verfahren.
Verfahren. Okay, let's
Yeah.
start translating it, please.
Yeah. Childhood years. Your childhood years always always stay in my memory. Whenever I think about them, my heart is pained, but fondly so. I mean, it's gut ganz, right?
Mhm.
Ganz gut. It's pain, but a nice pain. Oh, how far you have traveled from me.
Okay, thank you. Maurice, you have anything to add or
No, that's fine.
Yeah.
Verfahren it's a form of fahren.
I just,
Verfahren is to really, to stray, to get lost, really
Sure.
far away.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Hilda with the H, Hilda, because sometimes people.
Lauren and Mariah, please.
Okay, I just have to unmute. Jene Jorn, frische, schöne Blumen. Folgst du mir? Is it, sorry, flakes du mir? Ah ja. Flakes mir bringen, wenn du flakest no kommen. Ot die Jorn, treurige, schwere,
For June 18th.
dicke.
Yeah,
Sie haben jene schöne Zeit vernommen.
okay, so let's
So-
translate.
Hopefully
Okay.
we can sit together or in 2 rows behind each other.
Sorry, who is talking?
It wasn't me.
Yeah, I know, it's not, I know that it's not.
Okay, is it Jene Jorn? Is that where I started?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Those years, those fresh years, beautiful flowers. They brought me beautiful flowers. Wenn du flakes, no, whenever you came. Ot die Jordan, those very years, treurig, sad ones, difficult ones. Try, yeah, Moira Schreierdike. What does that mean?
Means depressing.
Depressed.
Ah, right. So Moira Schreierdike is like deeply depressing. They were they haben, you know, schöne Zeit. They took up. If vernommen, they passed that time. Is that it?
Vernommen here means that they replaced, they took the place of those beautiful years.
Ah, right. They took the place of those beautiful years, those young years.
Right.
Ot sei ich mein Moischele dem Kleinem. Ah, there I see my little Moischele. Ich kusch seine Beckelech Reuter. I kiss his red cheeks. his beautiful red Shana, his beautiful red cheeks. Die blaue Augen voll mit Gein. Yeah,
Shame.
his blue eyes full of charm, beauty. Gein. Oh, gein. I see. Full mit gein. I don't know how to translate gein.
You just did.
You
You
just did.
just did charm.
What did I say? Charm. Okay. Yeah.
Charm.
Okay. Full mit gein. Kriechen zu mir in Hartzarein. They creep into my heart.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Hilda. Okay, Marsha, can you continue, Marsha? Marsha?
Where
Oh.
are we? Oh, ich had gemeint, die ganze Welt in my mind.
Is mine.
Oh, is mine. I thought the whole world was mine. Und mein Kind, what's this? Is that?
Ich.
Und mein Kind, ich pfleg dir doch lieben. And my child, I'm living for you.
The way
No,
I
it's
used to
lieben. Loved. How I loved you.
Oh, how I loved you. This is Dich, right?
Uh-huh.
Right.
In Cheder, hier in Cheder, kein Mal nicht getragen.
Getrieben.
Getrieben.
I didn't see you in the Cheder, in where we're learning.
Getrieben
No.
is, it's I never pushed you. I never drove you to the Cheder.
I never
I
drove.
never forced you to the Cheder.
Nicht kein Kip,
Knip.
nicht kein Knip, nicht kein Hand. Ich darf dir gerut.
Garnet.
Ich darf dir gar nicht bekannt.
Okay.
I'm not
Marsha,
sure.
thank you, and Maurice will read it again and translate it, please. Thank you. It's
Sure.
good that we are trying.
Right. Oi, mein Kind, wie ich pfleg dich doch lieben. Oh, my child, how did I love you? Dich in Cheder, kein Mal nicht getrieben. I never forced you to go to Cheder. Nicht kein Knipp, nicht kein Hand, ist doch dir gut nicht bekannt. You never knew a pinch or my hand against you.
Okay, thank you. Judy, will you continue?
Sure, thank you. Von mir kein, I'm getting an echo. Does that, I don't know, is that, okay. Von mir kein Zeichen?
Zeichen.
Zeichen. Zeichen, is that correct?
Yeah.
Is dir nicht geblieben? Otzu ich die Stieb für meine Augen, wie ich hab dich so schwer erzeugen, und das gut.
Das Bettel.
Bettel. Und das Bettel zu ich dort steht auf jenems selben Ort. Och, wie still du bist.
Schnell.
Schnell, okay. Oi, wie schnell du bist von mir verflogen. I understand that last line.
Okay, but let's start from the first one.
I don't quite understand the first
Okay,
one.
so here is Maurice.
Right, so in the sentence before, she said that she never pinched him and she never hit him when he was a child. Von mir kein Zeichen ist dir nicht geblieben. There's no mark left on you from me. There's no evidence that she ever hit him. Ot seh ich die Stieb vor meine Augen. There I see the house or the apartment.
Maurice?
Rose.
Maurice, okay. Wo ich ob dich also schwer erzeugen, where I
Raised.
raised you, so
Right.
so difficult. It was so
Right.
difficult. Und das Bettel sehe ich dort, and I see
Und das Bettel
the.
sehe ich dort.
Okay, Maurice, you're back.
And I see the little bed there. Steht auf jenem selben Ort. Still standing at the very same place.
Go on.
Ach, wie schnell du bist von mir verflogen.
And
Oh,
so
how
quickly you left me, basically, right?
Right.
Okay. Okay, thank you both. Steve, let's try, Steve.
I think the last line is, I think it's how quickly you have flown away, how quickly you have flown. Is that what it means?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kinderjahren, ich hab sie ungeboren.
Yeah, I don't know what that word is. I wrote it the way I heard it.
I think
Right? How's that?
Forfeited, lost.
One at a time, guys, one at a time. Rochelle.
Lost. What's-
Ungeboren means lost.
So
Or,
what's the verb?
um,
What's the infinitive of it?
Unwären, unwären.
Unwären. Oh, okay. All right.
lose or to dissipate even. You know,
Okay.
I lost it like slowly. It's not like it disappeared, but it
Yes, it disappeared from my memory.
yeah, but it not
Slow-
quickly.
Slowly.
Slowly.
Okay.
It implies slowly.
Okay, Steve, go on.
mit dem mein ganze Ruhe hat ich verloren. With my Rue is like a feeling, like my
Peace.
Peace.
peace, right? With that, my peace have I lost.
Right. I've lost my peace. Right.
Nicht kein Mut, nicht kein Zweig, weil du bist so weit weg. I don't know what mut means. Without.
Mut is courage.
Okay, without courage, without strength.
Purpose.
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 That is purpose.
Okay. Because you are so far away.
Right.
Und ich verschellt dem Tag von mein Geboren. And I Was it?
Curse. Shelton is to curse. Schelten is intensive, and I really curse.
And I really curse the day from my, that you were born,
No, that I was born,
that I was born. I see.
because she's
Oh,
lost.
from
him.
mein geboren. Yeah.
Mein right.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Steve. Rochelle, yes?
I know entirely different words to this song.
There are
Right,
many
this is a
versions. of Shubert.
reworking by Ida Rozhanskaya in 1945. She
Sorry.
knew Martha Gebirtig's song. She lost her son at Stalingrad. She rewrote the song. She kept the melody, and it's addressed to her son, her dead son, Moishele.
Okay, because the one that I know is that Theo Bickel sang, and
Right.
it is, you know,
Right, he sang Martha
reminiscing about his
Gebirtig.
own. He's reminiscing about
Right,
his
about his own childhood, right.
Okay, so,
Okay.
all right, so
So-
that explains that, okay.
Barbara?
So a couple questions. One is the word erzeugen, and I did not find it in the dictionary. I thought it meant raise, but I saw the word der ziehen as the infinitive. So if somebody could just talk about that word erzeugen a little bit.
Yeah, it's a variant, erziehen, derziehen, and in the past tense, erzeugen and derzeugen. It's just a
Okay.
variant of the same, to raise, to educate.
Okay.
It's a Germanic
okay.
word.
Oh, Germanic. Okay, thank you. Thank you. And the other question I have is with regard to the word verloren. No, excuse me, wrong word. Ungeboren. And so in the dictionary, I saw the meaning forfeited, which I think is different from slowly lost. To forfeit doesn't mean you slowly lost. I mean, there is essentially remorse and grief with regard to losing something if you forfeit, because you've tried not to lose it so hard. But,
Right.
you know,
Yeah, I wasn't able to find it, but other people apparently found it. Unwehren, it's a word I don't know.
yeah, unfair. So that's why I wanted to just thank you
Sure.
very much. Appreciate it.
Oh, okay. Bob?
Yeah, I'm not sure what other people thought of the YouTube with this Korolenko, but I thought Raphael's performance was far superior. I mean, I mean that quite seriously. And I'm not saying because he's sitting here. I'm just thinking that I found the non-singing. It just didn't make it for me. That voice. But Raphael, I felt I could really feel the words and feel the. I felt it more. Anyway, that was my personal take.
Clearer. His pronunciation was clearer.
And yeah, I know, but I think that Soy's version is not intended. I mean, and Raphael sang it beautifully. I have nothing negative to say about it, but I think that the intention of the singer was not necessarily to entertain you, but to feel the mournfulness that this song entails. So it's not a question. I mean, I think it's. Forgive me for this is pretentious, I guess, but it's not a matter of liking or disliking. Everybody likes something. Everybody dislikes something. You know,
Right.
I mean, the idea is to kind of appreciate a singer or an artist for what they're trying to accomplish, rather than, you know, just how we feel.
Yeah, sure. I got that. I'm just saying that was just my preference. No, for sure. I agree with that.
Okay,
mean-
now we will listen to yet another version because I promised Cookie.
Another
No.
version. This is a different version.
Go on, Cookie.
Holotic book. Yeah. Kinderjahren, süße Kinderjahren. Ewig bleibt wach in meinen Ohren. Wenn ich tracht von eurer Zeit, wird mir also bang und leid. Ui, wie schnell bin ich schon alt geworden. Noch steht mir der Stiebel vor die Augen. Wie ich bin geboren, euch gezeugen. Euch mein Wickel seh ich dort, steht noch auf demselben Ort. Wie a Cholm ist das als verflogen. Noch seh ich dich, schöne du Mädel. Noch kusch ich dir heute beklach deine Augen füll mit Gein, dringen in mein Hart herein. Hab gemeint, du wirst einmal sein meine. Kinderjahren hab ich ungewollen. Mein getreue Mammen euch verloren. Von der Stadt nicht du kein Fleck, Fegele ist euch weg. Oi, wie schnell bin ich schon alt geworden. Kinderjahren hab ich ungewollen. Mein getreue Mammen euch verloren. Von der Stadt nicht du kein Fleck, Fegele ist euch weg. Oi, wie schnell bin ich schon alt geworden. Oi, wie schnell bin ich schon alt geworden.
Ah, lovely cookie.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank
Now
you.
you,
Oh,
do you
bravo.
want to hear the one that Maurice sent us? Because we can also listen to
Please,
this.
please.
Yeah? Oh,
Yes.
Please.
okay, let's do it
Please.
too.
Kinderjorn, deine Kinderjorn. Ständig liegen sie in mein Sikorn. Wenn ich bin von dir ertracht, tut mir weh ganz gut mein Herz. Och, wie weit du bist von mir verflogen. Jene Jorn, frische, schöne Blumen. Fleckst mit bringen, wenn du fleckst, sie kommen. O die Jorn, treuerige, schwere, meure, scheuerdicke, sie haben jene schöne Zeit vernommen. Seh ich mein Mäuschele, dem Kleinen. Ich kusch seine Bäcklach reute Schäne. Die bläue Augen voll mit Tränen kriechen zu mir in Herz herein. Hab gemeint, die ganze Welt ist meine. Och, mein Kind, wie ich pfleg dir doch lieb. Dich in Cheder keinmal nicht getrieben. Nicht kein Knopf, nicht kein Hand, ist dir doch gar nicht bekannt. Von mir kein Zeichen ist dir nicht geblieben. Und seh ich die Stub vor meine Augen, wo ich hab dir so schwer erzeugt. Und das Bettel seh ich dort, steh auf jenem selben Ort. Och, wie schnell du bist von mir verflogen. Kinderjorn, ich hab sie angewohren. mit sie mein ganzer Ruh hab ich verloren. Nicht kein Mut, nicht kein Zweck, weil du bist also weiter weg. Und ich verschellt dem Tag von mein Gebäuren.
Yeah, Raphael.
Yeah, I would just like to point out a little bit of grammatical oddity. Du bist also weiter weg. There's no verb there. Well, the bist avec, and then you wonder, is there a past participle there? And I think the verb of coming and going is often just left out. And I think that's shorthand for du bist also weit avec gefahren. Or so the idea is you have disappeared so far away, not that you are so far, but that you have gone so far. And so I think it's actually got a past tense feeling, but you can't be sure. But often the verb to go or to come is just left out in the participle.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Zuli.
I want to say that I vote for Raphael singing. He was so sweet. I loved it.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Now we have to play Theodore Bickel's version.
Please, please.
What, please? I don't have it.
And you'll notice Theodore Bickel
What?
uses
You don't have
almost the same
Theodore Bickel?
instrumentation.
I didn't hear that. What did you say?
You
Oh,
notice that in my version, it says that his mother did pinch him often. Like she did pinch him and she took him to school, but there are no signs left when he looks at his arm. There are no signs of her pinches any longer.
Okay,
My
Raphael,
mother used to give me a copy under the table.
Yeah, I just wanted to say that the accompaniment that Psoy uses is almost identical to the accompaniment that Theodore Bickel uses.
That's right.
So it wasn't a new accompaniment. He actually took that from the Bickel rendition, I think.
Yes.
Okay, any more comments before we move on to the story? Yes, Rochelle.
I just love the line, deine Augen voll mit Tränen dringen in mein Herz herein. That line I don't think is translatable. If somebody has a good translation, please tell me, because I mean, you can translate the words, but I don't think you can translate the meaning. Anybody?
Say it again.
Deine
Pulling
dringen.
my heartstrings. It's
Yeah,
pull-
but that doesn't make me cry, and the other one does.
It's just the feeling that are projected from here. Zuli, yes?
I wanted to ask, a clip is not when they do this on the
Yes,
cheek.
exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
To
How do you
pinch.
say it in English?
To pinch,
Pinch.
pinch, pinch, if
I
I
know.
pronounce it correctly, to pinch.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so let's move on to the story.
I just want to thank you for letting me sing.
You're welcome.
I
We,
love-
we,
I love
we enjoy, we are blessed with people that are singing, that can sing. We never heard you, Hilda. Once you will sing for us as well, yes?
Okay.
Okay, you will do it?
Of
Okay.
course.
Because Hilda sings quite professionally. I don't know if you know it, but she sings professionally.
I
In
used
Yiddish.
to. I
You
used to.
You don't do it anymore?
No.
I'm more
Okay.
familiar with the words that,
With what?
what's your name again?
Which one?
Blatman sings. Those are the words I'm familiar with.
Cookie.
Ah, the
Cookie.
ones that Cookie sings,
Cookie.
yes.
It's
Let's get on.
Mitzragen Agazang. It's from the Melodics book Mitzragen Agazang.
So, okay, we are really blessed with people that know how to sing. So that's, just don't ask me to sing because then it will be horrible. So, Okay, so let's do it. The story. It's called Die Neue Welt by Esther Kreitman.
You make the print a little larger?
Okay. It's now better?
Yeah, a little, yeah.
No, no.
More?
More would be better, yeah.
More. Not, oh, that's too much.
Yeah, that's too much.
Whoa.
That's good.
That's good?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm playing it on the computer, so.
Yeah, because this font I find very difficult to read.
Yeah, it was very small, but you know.
You know,
I-
everybody, all you, at the top of your screen, there's something that says view options. You can change the ratio anytime you like. You can make it larger, you can make it smaller. You know, you want to make it 200% higher, you can. You don't have to, anybody can change their screen with that option.
But if you just use your fingers and like push your fingers up and down and they'll get bigger by your fingers.
Well, it depends if you're
On the
screen-
iPad.
if it's a touch on the iPad, yes, but
Yeah, the
on the
iPad, just,
on the computer, it depends.
no,
if
no.
No, I can do it, but it depends if it's a
What
touch.
was that
screen.
word? Tools?
View.
View.
View
But
options,
okay,
zoom,
right now it's
click on
okay?
there and zoom ratio.
Still.
Okay. Right now it's okay, you can see it?
Yes.
Good.
Okay, good. Okay. Okay, so the story starts when she's telling when she is in her mother's womb. And she is turning and tossing and she is expecting to have a very wonderful welcome because, you know, she knows that in heaven, when someone important is coming, there is a great welcome for this someone important. And she knows that she's important because the mother talks with the grandmother and they keep talking about what's the baby that is coming, only they don't know that it's a girl and not a boy. So that's the difference, but she doesn't know it yet. So that's what we read about the expectation last week. Now we are going to read about the disappointment. So Susan, can you start? Die Mame is gelegen.
What page? The
In
mama
page
is
26.
26 at the bottom. Die Mama is gelegen in a kleintje stiefelen. The mother was in bed in a little room, an alker. It's like an attic room. Dus
No,
bed,
I think alcove is a very small, like in Hebrew we say
oh,
coop.
it's an alcove. It's-
Alcove, in an
Alcove.
alcove.
Yeah, in a small alcove, a small projection from the room. Dus bed is gewein verhangen met dunkele voorhangen. The bed was covered with dark curtains, was haben gut verstellt dus licht, which covered up the light. Dus vensterl is gewein fest acht. Window was tightly closed. Gedees soll sich Halila nicht hereinreißen, kein bissele Luft. So that there shouldn't, God forbid, enter even a little bit of light.
No.
A bit of air.
Wind.
Ein bissele air, so that a not bit of air
Wind.
get in. Wir sollen sich nicht verkühlen. God forbid you should get cold. Die Vögel haben, weißt du's, nicht lieb gehabt, kein verstellt Licht. The birds, it seems, didn't like any closed-in place.
No, they didn't like any.
The dim light mit
Okay.
vermachte Fenster with the closed window. haben sie sich gesucht, a besser, they looked for a better, a freier Ort zum Singen, a better and a freer place to do their singing. Die Simcha hat sich derweil euch nicht daraus gesehen, mach mis, ich bin a Mädel, seinen alle in Stub, a viele die Mama enttäuscht. The good occasion was meanwhile because I wasn't seen as long as I was a girl.
Because I was a girl.
Would be while I was a girl.
Because.
Since.
Because.
Yeah.
So, people were not happy. The happiness was not the happiness was not visible because I was a girl.
Oh, because I was a girl. And according to everybody in our household, even the mother was annoyed.
Disappointed.
I'm told disappointed.
Was disappointed. A klal es is gar nicht freilich. In short, there was no happiness there. Ich bin schon bald a halbe Jahr alt. I was already a half hour old. Aber a chutz etliche klep von etwas Jidene, but besides from two, kind of smacks that I got from, the Jewish woman, and I guess that's when as soon as the baby is born, you give it a pat.
Yeah, so it will start crying.
B'shas ich bin gekommen auf der Welt, and at the moment that I came into the world, guckt sich auf mir keiner nicht darum. Nobody's looking around at me. Es ist so unmutig. It's so sad. And this writing makes it so sad.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, Susan. David Katz?
Ja, die Bobbe kommt rein. Sie schmeichelt zu der Mama. The grandmother enters and she smiles to mother. Sie said always, Mole Simcha, Miss Thomas. She seems completely very happy, probably. Vos happy, Miss Thomas, probably. Vos ihr Tochter is showing Besholem Ibergekommen that her daughter is already peacefully overcame. Overcame. Is that the best? Yeah.
It's like she
arrived.
Overcame it. Yeah.
Arrived.
She finished with the labor. She overcame it.
Overcame it. Yeah, overcame it.
The common is something like endured.
Yeah, endured. That's good. Yeah, endured.
She endured it safely. But Shalom is not necessarily peacefully, but she faithfully endured it.
Yeah, came through. She came through peacefully.
Oh,
Good. Yeah.
Auf mir guckt sie sich viele nicht she doesn't even wasn't even looking at me. Mazel tov, dear Tochter Levin. Congratulations, my dear daughter. Mazel tov. Mazel tov? Mit Mazel soll man leben. You should live with, I guess, good fortune should follow you. Die Mama schmeichelt euch, nur nicht zu mir. The mother, mother was also smiling, but not to me. Ich wollte warte gewesen zufriedener, wenn sie a Jingel. I would certainly have been more satisfied with this when if I were a little boy.
If it was, if
it were, the baby, it needs to be a Yingo. If it was a little boy, Machti Mama, says the mother. Ibaba tut Schelmischen Wunk, Schelmischen Wunk. Did a halb vermacht Oigel und Reist. The grandmother does a Schelmish. That's the basic English. What's is a
Roguish.
roguish? Oh, roguish. Okay. A Schelmish, just a little wink, a roguish wink. With a half closed little eye and consoles Nishkosha, Savella noch Yingalak Oifkumen. It's not so bad. It's okay. You'll have more boys will also come later.
Okay. Thank you, David. Rina Leah?
What does trace mean?
Comfort.
So
Console.
Consolation. Can be.
Rina Leah, you are muted.
Okay. Okay. Ich höre das alles zu uns, sie ist mir schwermütig zu sehen. I hear that all are, it's hard, I don't know, mashig to see me. They're all hard, mashig.
To understand, it's very difficult for me to understand. I think so, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You get it. I don't get it.
Yeah.
It's hard for me to get it. It's
Noch was bin ich geboren geworden, als die ganze Simcha ist gar nicht zu lieb mir. So what am I born? What is it that I am born? And the whole celebration is nothing to celebrate me.
Yeah, not because of me.
Because, okay, because ich bin schon bald vernödet von Langweiligkeit. Wie es Welt sich mir zurück auf jener Welt. Somebody else should translate that sentence.
Okay. Rafael, can you translate it?
Ja, ich bin schon bald vernötigt. I'm already bored.
Bored.
Langweiligkeit is boredom, out of boredom. Well,
Okay.
I'd really love to go back to that other world.
Okay, dank.
So vernödet is a really nice, that's a really nice word because from this comes nujes and nijanish, and can someone else have
and
more? Anudnik, yeah, all of this comes from this word. Okay, so Rina Leah, thank you. Okay, Alvin, can you continue?
Ja. Plötzlich, der viel ich etwas am moderne Kelt über Leb. So, okay, I'm already in trouble. Was plus.
Suddenly.
So I feel strange, cold, over about love.
No.
Over my body.
I hope.
Okay. Ich hab mich auf von meine Rayonet.
That's Hebrew.
Yeah, rayonot is ideas in Hebrew.
The Hebrew word.
So I don't know how to make that make sense, that sentence.
Ich hab mich auf von meine Rayones. I wake up from my thinking.
Ich fühle mich eingeklemmt in zwei große fleischige Hand. I can't make sense of this sentence.
Okay, ich fühle mich eingeklemmt in zwei große fleischige Hände. I feel that I am like it's in between two big
Meaty hands.
Meaty hands.
Meaty hand. But eingeklemmt is that you're
Squeezed.
Squeezed in.
Yeah. that
I'm
I'm
cramped.
squeezed.
Cramped
Cramped, yeah.
is the cognate.
Okay, Ross, go on.
Was tragen mich in hand, that carries me in the hands.
No, in the Roer that are
Roer.
carrying me upward.
Somebody picks me
Ja,
up.
heuer,
Their fat hands.
Right. Ich zitter in Ganzen. I shake all over. Erst fällt mir more dicke machshava. Somehow I feel frightening, a frightful, what's machshava mean?
Thought.
A frightful thought.
Shape, isn't that a witch?
Oh, no. No. Do you know only one? Only one. So next time, only Maurice, okay? Only Maurice will correct. Because otherwise it's awful. Okay?
Gehen Sie mich zurück reinpacken auf noch nein Chadoshim. Somehow
okay, Maurice,
9 months. Go ahead. Sorry.
They're going to send me back for 9 more months.
Oh, I see. Brr. Du sie face.
Good.
Es gräult mich von der Bläuse Machshava. Maurice.
Just that thought is harrowing to me.
I'm shuddering. Yeah, I'm shuddering from this thought. Yeah. Okay, thank you both. Brenda, go on, please.
Okay. Nur etwas verdreht sich mir mit einmal der Kopf. So maybe something twists in me a time in my head. Es schwindet mir vor die Augen. Ich fühle mich durchgenetzt in Ganzen. So something disappears from the river.
No.
Schwindel? Was ist Schwindel?
Noch verdreht. Etwas verdreht sich.
Verdreht means confused. I looked it up. It said twisted, but does it mean confused?
Yes. No, it's not it.
Turns.
It's
Turns or
my head
spins.
is turned.
Right, something in my head suddenly spins.
Spins, okay. Mir mit einmal der Kopf. So something in my head turns. Es schwindelt. Now schwindelt is disappeared?
No. Schwindeln is to feel dizzy.
I don't. So mir dizzy for the Augen in my eyes. Ich fühle mich durchgenommen, durchgenetzt in Ganzen. So I feel something the whole time.
No, durchgenetzt is that I'm wet. That I'm completely wet.
Durchgenetzt is wet.
Yeah.
Thoroughly wet.
Thoroughly wet.
Yeah. In Ganzen, wie groß ich bin, how large I am. Bin ich in a Teich? Am I in a river? Aber a Teich is doch kill. But a river would be called, ich weiß nicht, Mechaya. A good feeling, Mechaya. Aza, mich Brit.
Und mich Brit.
Was ist Brit?
Burning.
Burn.
Ein Mensch, aber sei gut.
Und mich Brit go a bisschen. And I feel a little bit burned.
Ah, okay.
So
Nur,
it's not cool.
okay. Nur das Ort mich nicht so stark. So, however, the earth,
Das Ort mich nicht. It doesn't matter to me so much.
Es art mir nicht.
Yeah.
okay, nicht so stark, not so much strong, wie der Gedank with the thought, was wollen die zwei Größe umgelumpetert Hand mit mir ton. So basically is wondering what with those two heavy hands, what will happen. Hand mir ton. Ich bin doch in Ganzen in Zaya. So I am in total, and I looked up Russia's and it said,
That's Hebrew.
Rishus.
It said network. It said network.
No, it's
No.
control.
Control.
Under their control.
Ein Mensch, sei gut. Ein Mensch.
Maurice.
Right, but I am completely in their control.
So Russia's is control.
Right.
Yes, but Brenda, what you found network is reshet without the vav.
Ah.
Without the vav, it will be a net.
Ah, ich
Okay.
verstehe.
So
So
that's the thing.
Russia's is control.
Yeah.
Ah,
Okay.
dann. Das ist genug.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, Luisa, yes.
Would you translate that I am at their mercy, Birshutam?
Yeah, it's a mercy, yeah.
At their mercy.
It's a mercy or what, yeah, or
I'm in
whatever
their
they want to
hands.
do. Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. Marsha, I saw that you raised your hand.
Is it pronounced Russia's?
No.
Reshua? How is it pronounced?
I know how to pronounce it in Hebrew, not in Yiddish, so.
Rachel Gordon, how do you pronounce it?
I would just say Reshus. That's all. Reshus, yeah.
Okay.
Reshut also means, if I may say so, authority. In Hebrew, Reshuyot, like Reshut Mekomit, Reshuyot, you know, it's authorities. So I am under their authority.
Okay, thank you. Rafael, yes?
I would pronounce it Reshus with the
That's what
accent
I
at the
said.
end.
Yeah.
Well, you said
Yeah.
Reshus or Reshus. I would shorten the first syllable, which is just an
Okay.
Reshus. Reshus.
Jesus. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Alex.
Luisa?
Yeah, can someone retranslate that last sentence?
The last sentence?
The one before that, and just translate the whole sentence, please.
Aber a teich is doch kill, but a river is cool. Mechaya dik. Mechaya. Und mich brit gor a bissel, and I feel just a little bit, you know, it's hot. Noch das art mich nicht so stark. I don't mind it so much. Wie der Gedank, as the thought, was wollen die zwei Größe umgelumperte End mit mir tun? What are those two big and clumsy, crude ends are going to do with me? Ich bin
Thank you.
doch im Ganzen in seiner Reshut.
Thank you. Thank you.
I am certainly.
Entschuldig, was meint Brit?
Brit is kind of, it's not really hot, but it's kind of a little bit,
Burning.
Burning. It burns a little bit.
Hibrit on ahin. You pour the hot water on it to take out the feathers, to kosher it.
Oh, the smell of it. I can still remember the smell of it.
But
Yeah,
this,
Rafael.
you know, the translation does not do this justice.
Justice,
because
yeah.
this picture of this baby feeling, you know, thinking from the world before that she's come into, and these huge, almost animalistic hands. She doesn't see the human behind it, picking her up and putting her back in water that she expects to be cool, and it's warm. Okay, they're obviously bathing her, which is not her conception of it yet.
Yes.
But the language is extraordinary.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Ich hab lieb a Sach. Umgelumperte.
Umgelumperte.
Das ist a guter Wert.
Yeah. It's like umpa lumpa. Yeah.
It
Right.
It reminds me of some of Dr. Seuss's words.
Yes. Okay, Rafael, yeah, I see your hand.
Yeah, I wanted to mention about Brian. Brian, it was to burn or to scold. So bri as brit, and so it's a tense I, not bre but bri, Brian. And Brotten and Brian you often find together to roast and to scald. Brotten and Brian.
Okay, thank you. So go on and continue reading.
Avade? No,
Rafael.
Good.
Yeah.
So nor Gott there, okay? Nor Gott sei Dank. Man nimmt mich schon raus von der Netz. But thank God, they're taking me already out of the, now it could be moisture, it could be net. I'm not sure which is meant here. Most likely the net. Mit tragt mich zurück in Alkera rein, an ungetuener Schein, a Truckene. They're carrying me back into the alcove. I'm dressed already and dry. Mit tragt mich herum über ein Alker. They're carrying me around the alcove. Jeder guckt auf mir, sagt etwas. Everyone's looking at me and saying something. Lasaf legt man mich zurück rein in Bett. And finally, they put me back into the bed. Die Mama get mir etwas süße, fließige Sach in Mäuel rein. Mother puts some sort of sweet and wet thing into my mouth. Ich bin recht hungrig. I'm very hungry. Zieh ich, auf was die Welt steht. And again, this is not s, but see. It's a tense I. I pull at it, or I suck at it. Now, auf was die Welt steht is an expression literally on what the world stands, but it means as much as possible.
Yeah, with all of one's strength.
With all of my strength, yeah. Die Mama guckt auf mir mit ihrer gute, weiche Augen. Aj swert mir warm auf den Herzen. Mother looks at me with her good, soft eyes, and it becomes, and I get really warm in my heart. I feel very good. A süße Müdigkeit schläfert mich ein. A sweet exhaustion makes me sleepy. Und es scholmen sich mir etwas Glücken. And I dream about some sorts of happinesses. Aber das Glück meins hat lang nicht gedauert. But my happiness didn't last for very long. A greulich Geschrei hat mich aufgeweckt. A hideous wailing woke me up. Ich hab mich auf. I wake up. Guckt sich herum. I look about. Von wann nennt sich es? Where is it coming from? Wer schreit? Who's screaming? Erst, says the mama. Look, it's mother. Erst literally means first, but I finally discover that it's mother. Es laufen sich zwei Menschen. People run about, run together, run up. Was ist geschehen? What's up? What's happened? Von wann nennt sich das Geschrei? Where did this scream come from? Die Mama macht mit die Hand, proved up his Weisen, zittert mit die Lippen. Mother is waving her hands. She's trying to show something. Her lips are trembling. Will etwas sagen und kann nicht. She wants to say something, but she just can't. Sie fällt zurück auf den Geleger, auf ein Challischtich kamat. She's falling back onto the bed, almost in a faint.
Okay.
That's
No,
good.
no, go on, go on, yeah.
Okay. Gesehen, als von der Mama wollen sie gar nicht rauskriegen, nehmen sie sich alleine Sucht an. Die Siba. Seeing that mother isn't going to be able to, they're not been able to get anything out of mother. They start looking for the reason. In Schank, unter in bed, in the cupboard, under the bed, in the bed. Plötzlich der hört sich ein Geschrei von der Wächterin. Suddenly, one can hear a scream from the a Wächterin, a woman watching. It's a woman standing by. Wie nicht mit ihrer Call, with an unusual voice, schreit sie und halt in ein Überchasren. She screams and she keeps repeating, "Cats! Gewalt! Cats! Cats!
Now,
Mercy me! Cats!"
a question, maybe someone knows, why was there a woman standing watch?
Probably a nurse.
You think so, a nurse?
A nurse or someone to help her after the birth.
A midwife, a midwife.
Midwife.
My
yeah.
mother was a midwife.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a different word for
Maybe.
midwife is usually Hebam, not Wächterin, so it is a little bit strange.
Yeah, it's a bit strange, I find it, but I don't know. Okay.
I wonder if, because I know some people in my family, when a baby's born, they put a red ribbon on the cradle to keep off evil spirits. And I wonder if there's something to do, like, with the Chevra Kadisha, they have to watch the body when, when on its journey from this world to the next world to make sure that it doesn't get a dibbick in it.
Maybe.
And so I wonder if this maybe has something to do before the naming, that she has to be watched to make sure no evil spirits get in there.
Maybe it will be interesting to look it up. Yeah.
Mina,
Yes, Maurice.
years ago, we had Itzik Gottesman came to Houston and gave a lecture on the superstitions of the Jewish people. And he brought in a ton of material about when a woman was lying in childbirth, how they would cover her and the bed and make it as dark as possible. And the curtains, those dark curtains that they hung, had all these talismanic, these Kabbalistic things, precisely to ward off the demons who might come and steal the child's soul before it was born. And it's interesting that, because we know that the singer's father, he was a Hasidic Rebbe, but in this story, when she talks about how the room was kept dark and these dark curtains, she doesn't mention the reason why, but that's probably why they did it.
Okay, and so there is also something with cats.
Maybe it was Mr. Katz when I was there.
No, because cats were felt as, like they were as little demons are in the cats. And so
Yeah, it could be, sure.
And so where cats are here, so let's continue, and we will see what's going on with the cats. Beverly, can you continue, please?
Sure. Die Menschen gucken sich über. The people look around. Können nicht verstehen. They don't understand. Was meint sie? What does she mean? Aber mehr wie das Wort cats, more than just the word cats, C-A-T-S, kann man von ihr nicht herauskriegen. They can't get anything else out of her. Azoi zu tumult is she. She's so mixed up. I think cats were bad
It's a bad sign. It's a bad omen, a bad
Yeah,
sign.
yeah.
Yeah.
Die Baba is euch stark zu tumult. The grandmother is also very strongly mixed up. Sie macht sich aber a hearts. She makes just her heart. No, I don't.
I would have said, you know, if she was Christian, I would have said she crosses herself, but but it's like she's holding her heart, I think. Yeah.
Oh yeah, she's holding her heart, right? Tut allein a rechten Zuch in Bet und lachendig. So she by herself. What are those lines? Do people see green lines?
I see green
Yes,
lines, but I didn't.
do too.
I
What is-
didn't put. I have no idea. I didn't put them there.
I think maybe this Zoom is being from the outside. Somebody is ruining it for us. I don't know.
No, we had this happen
Oh.
before. It's just a technical thing. I don't know. I think
Oh,
we just-
okay.
It's
Okay.
not a Zoom bomb. No Zoom bomb.
I
We just should go on. We can
So
still-
the grandmother is very strongly mixed up. She makes like a heart on, and she has a right. Allein a rechten Zuch. She's looking for the right in the bed.
No, a rechten Zuch. She is really looking. She's doing a very, you know, a thorough search.
On Lachadik, she's laughing. Machlum, I don't know that word.
Beklumerscht.
Machlumerscht kedei zu verborgen die Schreck. Ruf sie aus. So in order to get rid of the scare, she yells out.
Okay. So just a moment. I see that Refoel raised his hand. Maybe
Yes.
he has a translation for sie macht sich über ihr Herz.
Yeah, she takes heart. It means she gathers her courage together. She takes heart, we say in English.
Yeah, okay, she takes that. Okay.
And rechten Zuch is a proper search.
Okay.
Proper search.
And mikleimersht is a great word. It comes from the Hebrew lomar, to say. Ket lomar, as if to say. Mikleimersht means as it were.
As it were.
Yeah.
So Mazel Tov. Die Katz hat geboren Katzlach. A gute Simen. Mazel Tov. The cat has babies. It's a good sign. I would thought it'd be the opposite, but I guess not. Aber kein gute Simen is thus aponim nish gewen. But it really wasn't a good sign on the face of it. Dimensions and umruhig. The people are how would you say? Restless. In ein Tag und in ein Bett mit cats in one day and in one bed with cats. Azoi wird geboren a Mensch, a Katz, sagt Emmets. That's how a cat is born, says someone. Someone says. So it has nothing to do with her being born?
I'm sorry. I had always heard that a cat, if you put it in with a newborn or a very young child, it would snuggle up against the child's mouth and the child would lose its breath and die.
Oy vey. I believe it.
So that's
But they think it's a good thing.
well,
No.
now she's changing it to a good thing.
Right.
But maybe the grandmother wants to cover, you know, and to make things easy, and she says it's a good thing.
Yeah.
But the rest of the people
Oh,
don't think
right,
it's the
right.
thing.
Yeah, because it would take the child's breath away, the child would die because the cat would actually snuggle up against the face.
Something else that I want is Emetz.
Emetzer.
Where does it come from?
Emetzer. Somebody. Yeah.
Someone. Der Mammen hat man, wie es ist, Baruyat. The mother, they calmed her down. Because she was screaming, I think, because she see the cat, right?
Yes. Uh-huh.
Auf mir hat sich wieder keiner nicht umgeguckt. On me, nobody even looked at. The mama is eingeschlafen, the mother fell asleep. Damit hat sich geendigt der erste Tag. And that's how my first day of life ended. My mother fell asleep. Ich bin schon, Baruch Hashem, a ganzen Tag alt. So I am, God, 1 day old, a whole day old. Und ich hab schon nicht wenig übergelebt. And I really didn't live through anything.
No. Oh, the opposite. The opposite.
Oh,
I only 1 day.
Nicht wenig.
Nicht wenig. And I just lived through quite a lot. Nicht wenig, quite a lot.
Oh, you mean the opposite of wenig?
No,
Well,
it's
it's
nicht
nicht
wenig.
wenig. You have a negative there.
You have a
okay.
negative, nicht
Live
wenig.
through. Live through.
Yeah, so
Live
it's
through.
just the opposite.
I see.
In this day, there was a lot. There was a lot. I lived through a lot.
Or
Lot.
it was not a little matter. You would, you might use the word little, and it wasn't such a little matter.
In a little matter. It's amazing how she can write up about a baby just being born in her case, how she thought of all this.
Mhm.
It's
Okay.
amazing.
Rachel,
Mina, can I say
Yeah,
something?
yeah, just
It's
a moment.
Naomi.
First, yeah, I know.
okay.
First
Okay.
Rachel and then Naomi, please.
Okay, I find this description of the grandma's behavior interesting. A few lines above, the Bobe, first that she was searching, right, in the bed, but then lachendig, she was laughing, and Klomers of Yiddish is apparently she was laughing in order to verborgen, in order to hide the Shrek, to hide her fear. This is she is laughing to hide how fearful she is.
Hi,
And
hi.
Miklomer
How are you?
Lomar in Hebrew is one thing, but in Yiddish, Miklomer is apparently. This is how I read it.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Rachel. Yes, Naomi.
I just want to say that it seems to me that the girl was the baby was born on the same bed, maybe the same cot, at the same time when the cat was born, or the cats. I don't know how many cats, but it just seems like it's so dark and dreary and sad that they made more of a commotion about a cat being born and the laugh from the grandmother and the smile and what seems a laugh, I wouldn't say of joy, but to relieve the depression of her being born. I just think that maybe the cat is significant being born with her being born. Yeah, maybe on the same bed. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I think this is a very good place to finish. We have 2 more minutes, and we will continue next week. So I think, yeah. So any comments, anything about the story, what you think about it, what you think about Esther Kreitman?
I'm not sure I like the grandmother. I think the grandmother's not a good influence on the mother. It's not a grandmother that I'm familiar with, but I don't know, a little bit of a machasheka there.
Yeah. Okay. Rafael?
Yeah, as I listened to the recording that I made, I noticed several mistakes. So don't take everything in that recording as properly read. There are at least 2 mistakes that I've noticed. So I was reading it fast.
Okay. I am sure we wouldn't catch it. So no problem. Luisa?
I want to just say this part is setting us up for the rest of her life, where she was never recognized. Don't forget.
Yes.
Nobody knew that they had a sister that was a writer.
Uno momento.
Yeah. So, just before Louisa, I told you that we will do it by order. We will do it first, Esther Kreitman, then Israel Yeshua, his stories, and then Bashevi Zinger. But I found another story that I wanted to bring another story, but I found something. I found a story that Bashevi Zinger wrote about It's called
Yes.
Schwester.
Tasha, yes.
And so we will do it next,
Right.
just, to compare. So we will do it next. And Yoshua Zinger, Yoshua Israel, what can we do? He's the middle child, always overlooked. So we will do him last. So, okay. Okay, Louisa.
Yeah, I read or heard that the brother who also was overlooked and that he could also have gotten the Nobel Prize, but so far I think she should have gotten the Nobel Prize.
You're right.
Well,
Yes.
both of them died quite young when Yiddish wasn't considered anything for the Nobel Prize. So.
No, I understand that, but she really is outstanding. It's outstanding, outstanding writing.
Our Julia here wrote about her, so maybe Julia, if you want to say something about her.
Yeah, I do. First of all, the color red. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, the color red actually refers in many cases to Lilith, who was thought to be Adam's first wife, or rather second wife, I should say. And the other thing I wanted to say was, I can't remember the specific word, but when they're talking about the baby being born, I think part of what they're dealing with is the fact that they don't know how the baby is going to be fed. And this leads to the idea that the baby will end up under the table.
Okay, that's in next week.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's next week. Yeah, that's what we're going to read next week. Yeah. Okay. So anything else to add, Julia?
I agree totally with the fact that she should have gotten a Nobel Prize. And in the book, Deborah, which is supposedly the story of Esther Singer Kreitman, in that book, there is a selection, and this is presumably based upon truth. At one point, the father, Esther, the Deborah figure, says the father is talking about what these boys are going to become. And poor Esther says, and what about me? What's going to happen to me? And the father says in the book, you're nothing, of course. And so help me, that is in fact what it says in the book. And as a matter of fact, there was a letter written to the New York Times book review in which this was mentioned. And it was published, yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Julia. Marsha?
I think Rachel was first.
Rachel, you want another, or that's from before?
I just wanted to say that when I read this story, I see how lucky we women are. All of us are lucky that we don't live, in those times and with such restrictions on women. I was working with Hasidic kids, and I had a father come to me to talk. So yeah, I because I grew up in Israel, they taught me a little Talmud, a little Mishnah. It's part of our curriculum. So I asked the men a question about Talmud to show off my big knowledge. So he says to me, don't you dare. You're not allowed. You're a woman. Just because I was asking a question and he left the room. That's how you would be treated. Yeah. And this is how they treat them to this day. This happened about 20 years ago. So, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Marsha?
Okay, yeah, I had a similar experience singing in a kosher restaurant, and the men don't like to hear women singing.
You're not supposed to.
And
Yeah.
so they closed the door. Luckily we had different rooms. But anyway, what I was asking about Julia, I thought that Lilith was Adam's first wife. And you said it is second wife, but okay, I don't know.
No,
Someone
you're
who
right,
knows,
yeah.
please tell me.
Yeah. But that was why Lilith, Eve and Lilith were somewhat at odds with each other. And Adam didn't know what to do with either one of them, according to certain myths. And it's all myth, right?
Okay. Rochelle?
There was a lot of concern. Am I muted? No. There was a lot of concern for the mother because so many people did die in childbirth still.
Right.
And, when the grandmother comes in and says this Ibigalaben, she's happy that her daughter survived the childbirth. I think that's a perfectly natural reaction at that point.
Yeah, and also because it was something like two years or so after the wedding. So, you know, she was thought to be an akarash, that she burned, that she could
Barren,
not
yeah.
have, that she couldn't have children. So they are happy that she can have children. The problem is what child it is. That's the problem.
Yeah.
I want to show everyone Julia's book. Can you see? Yeah.
Yes, we can.
I'm determined to buy all the copies that she has that are used.
What's
The woman who lost their names.
Yeah, I'm going to have a collection.
Beverly, you are, I just don't know what to say. You are the best. However, I would also tell you that when that book came out, my child was a teenager, and it turned out he bought up a lot of those books and gave them to his girlfriends.
But that's a nice idea.
Yeah,
Well,
right.
The question is, did the girlfriend stay with him after that?
According to him, there was no problem with that.
Good.
But I mean, the mother is the last one to know.
That's cute. That's cute. Well,
But
once
that's
I got it for her bat mitzvah. Someone gave her a copy for her bat mitzvah. But now
Thank
I'm going on the used books list and buying them.
Yeah,
I
you
have
could
that
get for
book.
very little money at the time.
Exactly. I'm getting a bargain.
You are indeed.
Well worth it. Well worth it.
Excuse me,
Thank you. Thank
who's
you.
the author? The author, who's the author?
Julia.
Julia, our Julia.
This is the book Julia wrote.
This is who Sandra Julia Wolf Mazow. She's on. She's in our class.
She's in our class. She wasn't for the last few months because of health issues. But we are glad that she's joining us, and hopefully she will stay with us.
Thank you so much.
Figure it
What
out.
is the title of the book? I didn't see.
You can't see?
The woman
name.
who lost her name.
You can't see?
And that name comes from the title of one of the stories. And of course, I had to get permission to use that. But that also appears in the book that came out recently of about 40 feminist short stories. And the last one in that book is,
Here I have it.
and they use the woman who lost her names.
Oh.
Can I introduce this book? It's Frankly Feminist.
Yeah, I
short
have, yeah.
stories by Jewish women from Lilith magazine. And the
Yes,
story
ab-
we're reading today, The New World, is the first story, Esther Singer Kreitman. Yes.
Yes.
Wow, thank you.
Naomi, just
Okay.
a moment.
Thank you,
Naomi,
Beverly.
And who's the woman you had to get permission from?
The author of that story, her name is Nessa Rappaport.
Yeah,
And
Okay.
she's a very, very fine writer. She's
Very
written many things.
Just for everybody's information, I just ordered it on Amazon.
Okay,
Yay.
perfect.
Also,
Whoops.
yeah.
Oh, I
Naomi,
didn't. Here I
Naomi.
am. I didn't have my video on. Here it is.
Naomi, just a moment.
That's the book. That's right.
Guys,
I'm
one
showing
moment.
I'm showing it to Sue Dervant.
Bless your. And
Naomi,
actually,
Yeah.
when that,
Naomi, since I was not the one that started the recording, I think it's still recording.